no.
Ow!
Hey, he hit me.
I was literally doing this.
Shush! Stop it. All right, come on, you autistic. Going to the mall.
Yeah!
Stop punching each other. We gotta get
Hitting me.
clothes for the winter. We gotta get clothes for the winter. Come on.
Let's go. Come here. Nah, come here.
No, Caleb, keep running. Brooke, stop. Don't stop harassing your brother.
Okay.
You
Alright,
hit
guys.
me.
Come on, choose which store you want to get the clothes from.
super thing.
Oh, Sports United or
Yeah, Sports United.
Okay, let's go to Sports
yeah,
United.
Sports United.
Stop. Ah,
Ow.
cut it out. Stop
Ow.
fighting.
Yeah, Cal. Yeah, bro. Come on.
Ooh, are these?
Alright, everybody, come pick out what y'all want.
I want this.
Oh God.
I don't know if you
Dad,
pick
can I
that up.
get can I get the Messi's Argentina soccer jersey?
Yes, you can get that.
Yay! Ooh. Dad, I also want I also want the Payday 2 mask. It's Dallas's Payday 2 mask.
Hey,
Dad, I
look
would
at me.
like
yeah, you can get that.
thank you.
Everybody gets
Yay.
2 items. Everybody gets 2
Wait,
items.
Dad, I want this big long stick.
Whatever you want, as long as it counts for 2 items. That you know what? That's all you're getting because okay, you know what? You can get that skull too. Yeah, that's fine. All right, boys. Have we got everything we wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. And we're gonna break our ankles because yes. Yeah.
Don't go off without me.
Yo,
Where's
look
our
at my-
car?
Yeah, we didn't come in a car. Remember, we walked here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Guys, come on, keep walking. Stop fighting. We gotta get home.
Okay.
What?
Dad,
What?
I'm kind of hungry. Yeah. Can I go to the gas station?
All right, come on, let's go.
Okay.
I can't. I'm gonna get some chocolate.
Make it quick. I don't want to be here all day.
Okay.
Get whatever you want. Just one thing,
Okay.
though.
Okay. Oh, that's just. Dad. Can I get toast?
Toast. Toast.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Toast.
Oh shit.
Oh, frick, Caleb,
Oh.
come, we gotta run. He's on a
Two
mad.
sons are starting to look a lot like toast.
Hold the door.
Get the fuck away from me. Ah!
Die. Die, toast.
Oh,
Die.
I'm not
Hey,
toast.
Dad, calm the fuck down.
Ah. Ah.
Oh shit.
No. No.
Ah. Oh shit. Oh,
Suddenly I remember.
Oh.
Oh, you guys aren't toast? Oh, I'm so sorry, son. Please forgive me. I almost killed you.
Don't worry, Dad. I'll forgive you. I don't know.
Hey,
You went into the horizon. What is that?
Look up. I
What
think
is
he's
that
plotting his anime
Japanese?
revenge.
Oh no!
Oh shit, there he is. Oh,
The
Brooks,
OTC
Brooks, get
massacre.
inside, get inside. Lock the doors, get inside.
Dodger. Come on, close the door. The one in barrier's getting. Close it.
I need this. You will not kill me for revenge.
Oscar, Oscaroro, Xiao Hongshu.
说呀说啊，是要说啊，我呀，我溜呀，
No pee Oscar!
你搞笑！
What the?
Dad, I'm blocking the door. Ah, shit.
All right, so Brooks, your brother's taking a bit of a nap right now, so I'm just gonna drag him along.
Okay. All right.
Dad?
What?
So maybe I kind of forgot my phone at the mall.
You what? God. Oh! Okay, come on, let's go back. All right, we're here. Go get your phone.
Okay.
Dead.
This kid. Why can't he just be like his brother? Dead. What is this kid up to? I'm gonna go check on him.
Alright. What is he?
What's going on in there? What the? Brooks! What did you do?
You know, I found some of these up in storage, so I decided to grab them and bring it all here and see what they would do.
Brooks, you have to clean all these up. These are dangerous.
Oh, what could they do?
Oh my
What
god.
could they do that?
Dad, look what I found!
No!
Oh,
God. What?
What the fuck?
What?
Dad? Dad!
Oh shit. Dad.
We're on the moon! How did you blew us up and we landed on the moon!
Why
How
are
does
you
it-
alive?
How does an explosion like that even happen?
How are you even alive?
Hey!
How are you
Put
even
your brother
alive?
down! Put your brother down!
Dad, he's choking me.
Stop choking him! Stop choking your brother! Fighting will never get us back to Earth. I have an idea. I know exactly what to do. Give me that.
Oh, okay.
No, don't use that. I have a better idea. Come on. Everybody, just 1 second. Not yet. I need to grab this and get one more thing.
Dad, he's gonna put me in orbit again.
No, stop putting each other in orbit.
He's
Brooks,
making
get
me
out of
go into
orbit. It's not time for that. We have to get back to Earth. Everybody, put your hand on a
Ow.
brick and then grab it and don't move your... Once you grab the brick, don't move your hand. Put your hand on a brick, then grab it. Alright. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go! Whoa! We're going! We're going!
Brooks.
Oh, God. Oh. Hey!
Hey, we're back!
We're back
We're
on
back.
Earth! It worked!
Get
And I'm
up!
not dead. Get the f off me.
Oh my gosh!
This is the time to
You're
celebrate!
the one that...
We've just made it back to Earth! This is this is miraculous! And it's all because of me. We got on the moon because of y'all, but I saved us. You dumb
Hey,
kids.
don't blame me.
You blew us up! You blew up
Yeah, but he was the one who did it.
No!
Dad,
Dad,
look
what
what I
is that?
found.
These dumb kids. Gonna be the death of me.
Literally.
Ah.
Dad.
Yeah. Ah. Wait, what? Well,
Oh.
I gotta barricade the door. Dad, is it over?
Hold on, I'm gonna do something. This is gonna be cut out because it's gonna be like, so just wait a second. Current session settings. Did you accidentally blow it up? Oh my god, get back in there. Okay. Toast.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Oh crap, we gotta redo that. Okay, just grab it and put your hand, like, keep your hand where you're... Who messed it up?
You said grab it.
Oh my god. I swear. Stop. You're gonna mess...
No.
Ooh, we're not.
No, no, no.
Monkey.
Hold
Hospital.
on. Hold on. Brooks is having a hard time getting it off his back. Okay, go, 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 go.
Hospital.
Caleb, no.
Hospital. What the fuck?
Yeah. What?
Get off of me, you monkey! Get off of me, you monkey!
Toast!
My arm! My arm! My beautiful arm! Ah! You monkey, get
happening?
off of me! Ooh.
Well,
Ah!